Hello! Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to 53rd.
Hi, Manano.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi pa yan.
Oh.
Hi!
Hi! Oh, ma'am, anong sasabihin niyo?
Nagpapasalamat ako sa munisipyo ng San Miguel, sa municipality ng San Miguel kasi hindi niyo kami pinahirapan. Dala-dala niyo na lahat, pagkain, kaldero, lahat. Sandok, may sandok din.
Sana all! Oh, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hi!
Taga saan po kayo, ma'am? Hado, marami sa Tauan.
Gawan, San Miguel, Zamboanga do Sur.
Ganawan ka ba?
Magkano to?
Mo di ay. Hindi ka na dito, ma'am. Hi, sir. Hi. Hi.
Hi! We're back! Mas alakan nga kanunay nagpag-uwas kaya kami na sa
Ayan yan, ma'am.
Good news for you. I know I'm sorry, yeah, yeah. Sorry, yeah, yeah. Sorry, yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'll take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two. I go, and then you go and spell the truth. Can we both say the words, say forget this? Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm just trying to get you back on me. 'Cause I'm missing more than just